sir. History.
That would be four.
Oh my God, history. Creating Cayman earthquake. Oh my God. Store empty, everybody run outside. Man, you see it? Everybody, place empty. Never see this before. Earthquake. Man, the whole entire building shaking. Earthquake in Grand Cayman. Never see this before. All the workers and customers outside. History. Earthquake. Shake Grand Cayman at Kirk Supermarket. I never see this before. I never experienced this. All workers outside. Everybody frightening, crying. See the workers? Never experienced an earthquake so powerful and strong like this. Oh my God, all workers, all staff. Oh my God, look, everything tumbled down.
No,